Hi, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
Today we are in Disney's Hollywood Studios at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at the Black Spire Outpost. And we are going to Savi's workshop to build a lightsaber.
As you may have already guessed, but the whole setup here.
We're going to take you along with us on our journey from beginning to end so you can see what it's like to build a lightsaber at Savi's workshop.
So we're here looking at the scrap metal, and we have to call it scrap metal because the stormtroopers and the First Order could be around, so we don't want them to hear what we're actually doing. So the first scrap metal is protect. This one is peace and justice. The next one here is power and control. This one here, which is what I'm going to be doing, is elemental nature. And finally, we have protection and defense.
Oh, that's it. I like the guard.
2 builders? 3. 3 builders. Go right over this way. Are we all together here?
Yeah.
And my third on the left.
A little less literal, but on top.
Oh,
Very good, thank you.
You want to film?
Excellent. We are all positioned. Very good. Welcome to the workshop. I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've all met the gatherers. Very good. You may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So, where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Very good. Well, now, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Rey.
Rey, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. But that's why you're here. To look ahead. Well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It's elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. Enough talk. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And Darth Maul, Visage Ventress Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes for me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? The color is yours. Now open your eyes. Take your crystal. And remember, the crystal may be choosing you. Very good. You've all selected your crystal. Now, if you would, please place them on the green crystal holder in front of you. You will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you've chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated.
Okay.
In these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now, in the boxes you'll find the chassis, activation plates, grips, pole cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you, should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's build.
Right, so I'm Travelers. My name is Wayne. I'm going to all three of you new builds today. First step we're going to do is put that kyber crystal that we have selected. Make sure those ends of the kyber crystal can join and connect to the two holes you see at the center. As long as both those ends of the kyber crystal are conjoined to a hole, it should illuminate the color crystal that you've selected if done correctly. Probably the most difficult stage in the process for a couple, but there we go. See, we got it. Move it just a little bit over here. Perfect. There we go. Excellent work over here. There we go. All right. We're going to choose one set or the other set of activation plates over here in column 5. You'll soon find that there are red and blue symbols. Very familiar. That's because they're going to go ahead and match up to the two symbols you see right here. Just make sure the red touches the red, blue, and as long as they're synced to the corresponding colors, it should go ahead and snap into place, allowing you the ability to utilize the activation switch.
Activation plate here in number 5. You have a choice of two. You want to pick either the set on the top or the set on the bottom. So pick either this one or one. After you decide we want to look for the red and blue squares on the side of your chest, you're going to match those up with the red and blue squares on the inside of your activation.
Right. Now, this last set, complicated instruction. Everything else from here on out is straightforward. But for now, we're going to go ahead and choose any two of these 4 grips right here. As long as you choose any two of those 4, you'll just make sure that the rings face toward the center. You, my friend, have bronze rings. They need to face towards the center of the activation plate, so you need to flip it around, just like that. Perfect. You already got it. Excellent work. And you, my friend, same thing, just like mine. Just make sure those kind of polished silver rings go towards the center, and it should go ahead, be pressed into the activation plates and twisted, so it locks and secures into place. Just like that, okay? Choose any two. Everyone's like the most.
That's how we're going to activate it. Right now, we're going to go ahead and grab our grips. We're going to grab our grips. They're going to be in numbers 1 and 2 in our boxes. You have a choice of 4 different grips.
There you go. And now you just choose another one for the other side.
2 out of any of those 4. We just need to pick one grip to go on the top. And we need another grip to go on the bottom. And we'll look at that.
These at the top, right over here. Just screws in until you can't anymore. One of those to the bottom.
And then you want to just kind of screw it into the bottom the same way. You see it just kind of sliding around.
And that's it. Whenever you're ready to screw, you just put it in to the top right over here. It screws in all the way. When just turns on like hot.
Perfect. Now, you want to pick one of these two next?
Almost there.
Awesome. Now, you're going to get one of these two there. And we'll get one of those two. So we'll get one. That's it. Well done. Now, when we do activate, we'll activate all three others. When he says to deactivate, one of those back there. For now, we're going to leave it this whole two. We'll go back to it. One of those two will like one piece right here.
There we go. Excellent work. How do you feel, my friend? Is that the one?
All right, my friend, have a feel.
Just a moment. I'm listening.
Are you ready for one final check?
Yeah.
What are you doing there? Soul side? I'll leave this rest of
The very origins of the Force. Very beautiful lightsaber, well done.
All about that power.
Very good. Well done to both of you.
And now
This
you
is
choose
from
one of those.
Sith Homeworld
And one of
and
these.
Jedi
This side.
Temple. Two opposite ends.
Look at that. How do you feel?
One of you is a little more valuable than the other.
Perfect. You kind of went ahead and stumped me. I thought we were going to go with the blue, considering our the technological band we have over here. I saw that and I was like, oh, we're for sure going to go blue, and then you chose green. That's perfect though, because it goes really well with this. Kind of all the force that surrounds you, so perfect choice.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Excellent work here.
Thank you.
I played that
I'm
music
missing a time
myself.
to
Provides a
activate the
good
lightsaber
steady
for the
blade.
first time. When you get it with activate,
A rainbow tooth for you.
excellent work.
Always an
Good job.
interesting
Good luck
choice.
out there.
And more pieces from the Sith Homeworld. The power crystal.
Alright. How do you feel, my friend? Is that the one?
Your partner's like that.
Excellent. And just somebody like that.
It's your choice.
Good luck.
Start to feel how it sits there in your grip. How that weight is distributed. I congratulate you on something. Don't look down the end of it. Terrible idea. Now, if you would, place your saber in the raised horizontal holder directly in front of you. Very good. And take a moment of quiet reflection upon your new lightsaber. Very good. We've all completed our hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened, because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I'll ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers, we'll now begin to stabilize your crystals for activation. This must be done with great care, skill, and timing as a single inverted emitter, or a cracked kyber crystal. And, well, we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. Now, as we move forward into the next stage, what I'll ask is what's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward. Place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And activate! Wielders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny, you seek, your own path.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. But remarkable power would not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart, and in a moment I will dismiss you one by one. Our time is at an end. Your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows? Perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers! Excellent work, my friends. Your friend here, you will lead us in these first steps. Follow on. There you go. You're welcome. You try and find some balance. Sabers. Well done. Right this way if you would, young man. Very good. You can all follow and continue your path. Well done. And my friends this side. Remember, in the outpost, question refers to those only
Outside
as
guys, we'll go blades first into these saber sheaths, everyone. Yeah, my friend, once you're outside, we'll go blades first.
That was an awesome experience, don't you think?
I had so much fun building this.
You got to choose all the parts for the hilt, which you saw earlier in the drawers, and you choose each piece of the hilt, and then you go in and you get to build it, and based on what color kyber crystal you choose, that's what color your lightsaber is.
And guys, just look how real this looks. This is no special effects, nothing, and it's just this has the smooth swing on it and everything. You can hear it.
Listen to what it sounds like.
So that's pretty awesome. I think this is one of the best, most realistic lightsabers you can buy. You can hear it. That's as I move it around. I just found this so amazing, and the experience is even better. It's just awesome.
It's absolutely a must-have experience for any Star Wars fan. You need to plan to visit Savi's workshop in advance for sure. So thank you for joining us and watching and sharing our experience with us. If you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next trip to Walt Disney World and some extra tips on how to get Rise of the Resistance boarding passes, to fly the Millennium Falcon, to build a droid, and a lightsaber at Savi's workshop, then contact me. My name is Melissa, and you'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. If you enjoyed our video of Savi's workshop and you enjoy our videos, make sure you like,
subscribe,
and comment down below with your favorite color of lightsaber. Make sure you hit that bell icon to get notifications when we post new video content. And thank you very much for watching.
May the Force be with you.
Bye. Bright suns, everyone.